Hello, Ma'am Lynn. Thank you, Tita Meds. Thank you po. Thank you, si Chai. Thank you, Mai Mai. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nikki. Thank you, Nikki. Lost talaga namin dito sa Dreammaker. Kay Team Tati na naman tayo. Guys, kamusta kayo? Oh, thank you, Mai. Thank you. Kamusta? Wow. Taga-saan po kayo, Ate Mai? Rain, welcome back ulit. Gabriel Juan, thank you sa pet. And thank you, JR, for sending Rose. Favorite ko tong kay itong mission na to sa kanila nila. Lakas ni Jules. Thank you, DM views. Thank you, Isel. Thank you so much. Harvey B. Thank you for sending Rose. Thank you. Thank you for ice cream. Nag-post ako kanina, so di ako marunong mag pindot-pindot. So hello, Kyler, thank you. Di ako marunong magpindot-pindot. Kung post ba or end. So, na-end ko na lang. Kasi may gagawin nga ako. The Coconut Nut. Sa kanila ni Joyro yun. Mamaya, next. Thank you, Mai. Mai. Ate Mai. Thank you po. Wait lang. Coconut. Sa kanila ni Jiro yun, diba? Coconut.
And let's give it up for Team
Saan si Kyoshin? Sa gilid ko lang. Oh my gosh. Hello Luna, thank you for sending rose. It's too much, you get very fat. The coconut nut is a giant, a big it's not a nut. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. The coconut nut is a oh, thank you, Chin Chu. Chin Chu. Ken Alvarez, thank you po. JTI, welcome. Ken Alvarez, welcome. There. Let the coconut. Oh my god. I love the coconut. Come baby girl, come on baby girl. So many uses of the coconut tree. Si Tad. Ito ganun si Tad. Coconut plant, if it cuts the tree, it gets the fruit free. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit. Gusto ko talaga mang ganitong sayaw lang. 3, 2, 1, 5. I love the coconut. Come on. Oh my god. You wanna know? Come baby girl. Come on baby girl. Thank you Ate Mai ulit for sending rose. Thank you Ulano for sending ice cream. Hello C. Come baby girl. Come on baby girl. Fighting. Best dream maker. Ito yung sa amin, Tiger. Na-miss nyo ba yung Dreammaker, guys? Hello, thank you, Vanna, for sending rose. Hey, Lance, thank you for sending fire. Fire. Hey, it's me. Hi, Cathy, how are you? Who's Garcia? Thank you. Eh, alam niyo si Matt yung idol ko talaga sa Dreammaker, guys. Matt Cruz. Siya yung, sa lahat, siya yung pinaka-ace. Magaling sumaya si Matt. Then I train to this hood, to a different king of jungle, we shake the ground. On my way, so take any fire away. Nobody can stop me, run to the end of it. Kira. Hey, barbecue, Rose. Oh, thank you, Lance. Tiger, big rock, with this big boss, a sharp class. Ito na yung video ayo. I just take my time, do it how I want it. If I want it, focus on the enemy. Let the enemy face all your fears, then get at me. Can't stop me. Can't stop me. That's my plan to turn my life around. Di ko pa kamsado yung Tiger. My way, so take it far away. Thank you, Vanessa. Guys, kamusta naman kayo? Favorite ko ngayon Tiger, guys. Maganda yung Tiger. Maganda sayawin. Bye sa SB19, si Josh. Sino pa ba? Big Brown. Big Boss. Thank you, Lydia. Thank you for sending Rose. Rose. I'm not gonna stop this way. Will I end up on that top? My way. Thank you, Walt Aaron. Thank you po for sending Rose. And Siriu, thank you. Thank you, Maymay. Thank you so much. Best Horizon, syempre si Kemil. Rayster King. Kami yung mga tahimik sa interview kasi wala talaga kaming masabi. Steven, thank you. Kami yung wala talaga masabi kaysa magsabi kami ng di namin feel na sabihin. Kaya, pero kapag sa stage, tagbibigay naman kami. Ito yung favorite ko din. Hello Angel, thank you for sending Rose again, and Hus Garcia, thank you for heart.
At bago natin makilala ang Dream 7 ngayong gabi, we will celebrate how far our Dream Chasers have come. Kaya muling ibibida ng top 28
thank
Dream
you.
Chasers.
Nikki Yoji, thank you. Nikki Yoji. Thank you Ate Yen, thank you din.
Pinagkaguluhan at hip-rep nations.
Always make me move. Nakamiss yung ibang Dream Maker, Dream Chaser. Sila Panpan, Josh Worsley. Si Ellie, andito na yung kasama ko. Thank you so much, Olano. Thanks. Friday, take my heart, baby. Big rings for you, it's classy. Thank you, Rona, and thank you, Richard. Thank you so much for us. Sino nga yung isa nito? Kalimutan ko. Crazy. Si Anjo pala. Nakamiss din si Anjo. Alam nyo guys, sa Dream Maker, kasi yung mga friend ko talaga doon, sila ni Kerwin, Lem, ito na yung Bini, si Aya, Bini Aya. Cute ni Bini Mika. Parang long hair pa to si Gwen, Ate Gwen. Thank you, Lance. Mahal, baby. Bias ko talaga si Maloy at saka si Gwen. Sa Bini. Yes, boss. Nasa Pilipinas ako ngayon. Out my mind, girl, I can't let go. I look into your eyes and you're doing the same. I see your open arms, even though you're still inside. Hello. Guys, tanong kayo, ano yung pwede nyo matanong? Sasagutin ko. Di pa rin napapansin. Sino ba yun? Hello, Noreen. Thank you sa sending Rose again. Mona Lisa dance cover. Paano yung Mona Lisa ni Mona Lisa? You're my Mona Lisa, you're my rainbow skies, and the only prayer is that you realize. Alam niyo yung kanta na yun? Hindi niyo alam, no? Kasi luma yun. I like my girls be so fun. One plus the night. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls be in the face. Hindi ko to alam eh. Mona Lisa, yeah, I need you. I like my girls looking just like a painting. Don't need no validation. Be so fun. Wait lang. Medyo konting aral lang. Medyo jacket mo na para feel yung vibe. Tama ba? Dito. Go. Left. Right. Stand up. Tug-tug ka. Ta. Wait lang. Kalit lang yung space ng room. No, background. Di ko alam to eh. Na, ano ako na... Yeah. Tug. Kapagod na ako. Pwede pala sa ano eh. Ganda pala nito sa'yo. Wait lang. Ganda nito. Dito. Ito pula. Hirap ng timing natin.
You know you're just my type. Gotta get you cause you know just what I like. I like my girls need some fun. 1 plus the 9. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls pretty in the face. Art is the frame. Mona Lisa, yeah, I need you. I like my girls looking just like a painting. Don't need no validation. Need some fun. 1 plus the 9. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls.
Pagod na ako.
I like my girls.
Tita Weng, thank you so much. Ria, thank you. Okay. Saya pala nito. Ano yung ano? Tug. Dente, face pa to. Nakalimutan ko na agad. Ano pa ba yung maganda? Yung kay ano eh, kay Jenny, feel ko kaya ko naman sa'yo yun. Natamad lang ako. BTS. Karon. Thank you, Jinshin. Jinshin. Grabe, hindi na ako makapag... Ano? Di rin na lang guro sa ano. Di rin. Print na ako ka.
그 사람도 접어 이젠 그난 친구마저
Favorite ko to sa Big Bang eh.
씩씩하게 말을 걸어 넌 저기 시시한 I don't wanna go too fast.
Thank you, Ate Mai. Walang gulo na ng buhok ko. Sorry.
Yeah. I think I need some time, but I can't get you out of my mind.
Ngayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Kyrie, thank you so much. Thank you, Ria. Cold tutorial. Sige. Oo nga pala, hindi pa ako marami na akong ginawa pero di ako nakapag-cold. Cold Horizon. Wait lang. 2. Dito yun eh. Tag, ka, 1 and 2. Yan. Yun lang siya. Tapos na. You're so cold. Then tap, 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 tap. Dapat parang ganun. Tak, 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 tak. Then go cold. Chat. Chat. Then 2. Back. Oh, oh. Suddenly say goodbye to the sunrise. Lips blue, no matter what I say, we can't go back, doesn't matter what I say. Oh, oh, without you, life's rough, but of us don't know how. Into one cold-blooded DNA. You know. Thank you, Marianne. Forget about our days. Ito. Maganda yun ko. Feelings turn this cold. When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body numb. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes so warm, like the sun before. Tap, tap, hey. Cold. Cool. Tap, cool. Ice cream. Boom. You're so cold. Those eyes are warm like the sun before. Thank you, Pau Pau. Thank you. Wow, grabe. Thank you so much. May ice cream at saka rose. Hey, Kay. Thank you so much, Kay. Nuna, thank you for the rose. Nagdumi na si Kyoshi. Naamoy ko na siya. When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body numb. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes so warm, like the sun before. You're so cold. Hey, you're so cold. Eh, mali ako. You're warm like the sun before. How did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body numb. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes so warm, like the sun before. Nung Dreammaker, ano ba yun? Thank you, Lynn. Nung Dreammaker. Mahirap mag-Tagalog. Mahirap ako magsalita talaga, guys. Totoo lang. Totoong buhay yan. Mahirap ako magsalita. Congrats. Sino ba yun? Thank you, Ate Mai. Pate. Congrats na lang sa'yo. Congratulations. Nahirapan ako sa pick. Cho. Game, anong kinanta mo? Also, yung may and realize. Hindi ko alam eh. Jay. Something. Thank you, Lynn.
This Romeo is bleeding, but you can't see his blood. There's nothing but
Thank you, Lian. Thank you, Angel. Angel ba yun?
It's been raining since you left me. Now I'm drowning in the flood. You see, I'm always been a fighter, but without you,
Uy, ang bawa ng ano mo. Si Arka.
no, I
Yo.
can't sing a love song like the way it's meant to be.
Pabilog na pabilog
But
ka.
I guess I'm not that good anymore. But baby, that's just me. I will love you, baby. Always and
Thank you, Ate Mai. Thank you po sa pagtambay dito. Thank you, Rona. Vanna, thank you so much. Galing na naman ni Kuya Jay. Alam mo yun. Hello, Machi. Hello. Mapapansin. Wait, ang bilis ng ano. Likes lang kayo, guys. Hello, Charlie, Ma. Thank you. Marami talaga akong na-miss ng mga tao. Charlie, thank you. Pogi ni Jay. Thank you, Chen. Basta in-I-feel si Jake at saka si Sun. Charlie Matt, thank you. Zai, thank you. Thank you. Na-miss ko na mag-gitara. Sino na-miss ko? Wala. Hello, Zelen, thank you so much. Anchor Neil? Neil ba to? Ay, oh, Anchor Neil. Thank you so much. Wannabe. Thank you for sending gift. Flex your favorite shoes. May bago akong sapatos eh. Bigay kahapon. From Tita Meds. Feel ko magiging favorite ko na to siya. Ganda. Ay, nung mayong gabi. Wait lang, magbabasa na ako ng comments, guys. Feel ko marami nang nag-ano eh. Marami nang nagtatampo sa akin. Namiss ko ng mga mag-gitara. Oh, thank you, Yang. Thank you. Hello, Yang. Nakikita ko ata yung mga videos mo na-edit. Hindi ko alam. Parang nakita. May nakakita. Yamos Anchor, Danilin. Yes, namamansin ako. Thank you, Ate Mai. Parang love ako ni Tita Maya. Ate Mai. Hello, Jillian. Yeah! Ivana, thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, Aza. Thank you, Aza. Si Aza din, nakikita ko yan, yung mga edits niya sa akin. Thank you, Aza. And Cornel, thank you din. How's life? Masaya naman. I'm good. Shout out sa kay Sir J. Hello, Charlie Matt. Thank you, Matcha, Charlie Matcha. Thank you, Ate Maymay. Tagasan po kayo, Ate Maymay. Ito yung favorite ko na performance sa lahat. K-pop. Noreen, thank you. Thanks so much for sending Rose. Darling, Rain, only then. Thank you for the rose. It's GD, baby. Thank you, Mike Lee. Thank you so much. Justin, hello. Feel love you, baby. Hey, yeah. I'm ready for this. Stand up. Stand up, stand up, hey. Noreen, thank you again. Jillian, thank you. Ano pa ba yung pwede kong masabi, guys? Hello, Abby Kim. How are you? Kilala kita. Thank you, Noreen. Let's go! Namamansin ako, hindi ko lang makita yung mga name. Hatag Cluen ka mo balik Iloilo. Hindi pa sure. Yun yung clue. I just can't remember this. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, ako lang mag-isa dito. Kailan ulit ikaw mag-live? Depende. Baka bukas din ako magla-live. Thank you, Anchor Neil. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow, thank you so much. Baka bukas, depende sa mood kung magla-live ako. Pero pag magla-live ako mga 7 or 8, ganun. Let the bass drop down. Kyrie, thank you so much. Hey. Let the bass drop. Bang, 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 bang. Spider. Thank you so much, Spider. Presenting Rose Spider. Thank you, Ria. Wow. It's Ting, baby. To, SB19. Ganto. Na-perform namin to nung first concert eh.
I'm so excited. I'm so nervous.
Wait lang, nakalimutan ko yung ano eh. Live ng Gento. Boom. Oh, thank you, Mike Lee. Thank you so much. I want some, get some later. Oh, thank you, Mike. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics nito eh. Nakalimutan ko. Oh, good. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, Neil. Thank you, Justin. Sobrang napaka-approachable talaga ni Kuya Stel sa SB90. At saka si Josh Cullen. Sobrang napaka-approachable. Nonchalant si Justin. Nakasmile lang palagi. Oh, thank you, Tita Meds. Justin, thank you. Si Pablo parang nag-observe siya lagi sa amin. Tapos tinatanong niya kami bakit isa. Parang ganun si si Kuya Ken parang seryoso sang tao. Yeah. Tapos lagi lang siyang tumatawa. Thank you, Ulano. Thank you so much. Ano nga yung ganito? Ay, ganito pala. May... Sa daming pinagdaanan, nagbato ng istoriko. So sa mga chismoso, alinat pong malik na rito. Di naman talaga madali. Ang hindi ko pa manoy, hindi. Talaga ng mga tagumpag, ibigay manan kung di ba listo. Laging na listo, kahit pa sinigisto. Lupong na bisto, na bisto. Oh, thank you, Baby Muro. Thank you so much, Tita Meds. Thank you. Thank you, Rock. Thank you so much. Nagulat ako sa ano mo ah. Oh, thank you so much. Nahiya ako mag-ento. Nakalimutan ko yung step. Ay, ganito. Ito. Kalimutan ko na. Ganito. Oh, thank you, Rack. Thank you so much. Gusto ko aralin yung dam eh. Dam. Anong pakiramdam? Dam. Anong pakiramdam? Lalim nun. Dam. Wait lang. Anong sayo nila? Ito, All Out Sunday. Paano kaya? Parang may ganun.
Ano ba kiramdam? Bumalik sa kalawang kamatan. Di pa sapat ang tamang katapusan. Dito
Yeah, yun kasi Jiro magdam.
tinipon. Kahit tutikman at tawag na tigo. Ayaw tagusan. Ikaw unang kamalan.
Eh. Justin, thank you. Charlie, Matt, thank you. Bias ko ulit sa ano, si Josh Colin. Thank you, Rack. Bukas try ko i-TikTok yan. Kasama ko si Jiro ulit. Dam, anong bagdam? Dam, anong bakiramdam? Lakas ng SB19 talaga. Lakas ng SB19 talaga. Yung lagi kong pinapanood yung tawag nito? Kasama namin ay ganun ba? Pikachu. Halimaw talaga yung SB9. Your gasoline na, yeah, I'm fine. Look at you. Thank you, Lance. That I'm always ready. Yeah. Hey, dito. Killer, I'm killing you. Horizon. Nah. Thank you, Rack. Hello, Ate Jessa. Mag-end live ako mamaya. Mga 8:55. Sobrang payat ko dito. Ngayon ata nasa 55 kilo na ako eh. Ito 46, 47. Hello, thank you. It's me, Jessa. Thank you, Ate Jessa. Thank you po. Soon oh, thank you, thank you.